we're gonna do this vent ride. We can see. Let's not sub D and just get that edge loop. Then just shift D then PS to make it a different object. I mean a separate object. Now we can just go for set origin to geometry. Turn off the mirror modifier and go to medium point. Shift S selection to cursor to selected, my bad. And squeeze inside. Now we're just gonna, after the SY0, to have both of those on the same Y axis. Keep it in mind that it is on the active element. Okay. Now go to the medium point back, SX, then squeeze it to there. Now SX again. Then just pull them as close as possible. Then M at center. Cool. Cool. Now let's get this one, since it is not well aligned over the y-axis, it's really on the zigzag pattern. Just SY0. Okay, after that, let's get our new object, and we're just gonna push them right onto the border of the previous object that we were working on. Now we're gonna get 3 vertices in the middle, just like as the left side, same on the right side. Now we're gonna get all of the 6 verts and just gonna trace the boundaries. Alright, cool. Now we're gonna press F, Alt Z for the transparent view, then I to insert. Right about there, that looks good. We just knife it. Now click on the inside part. Now it's time to just extrude it over on the z-axis. Just squeeze it inside with the medium point on. Now we're gonna do is just manually just UI and push it, just put it there. As you can see that there is a little bit of a bevel. So Control B for bevel. Give it 3 segments. That should be good. Now get down, just get the outside. There we go. That's gonna work. Just move it, turn on the sub D as in the isolation mode. Let's hide those two and just make the corner sharper like that. Alt H to bring the faces back. Same on the other side. There we go, nice. Now one last thing to do is mirror it on the other side. Shift S, cursor to world origin, set origin to original 3D cursor, then turn on the mirror and there we go, done.